Hey, it's your girl Lynamartin here. How's it going? Wagwan, what's poppin'? If you're new here, thanks for coming to this video. Thanks for watching. That was your moment to subscribe. If you're oldie but a goodie, wagwan, thanks. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and comment. So today I'm doing a cupcake decorating class with Coco Sweet Tooth, where you learn basic decorating skills with buttercream frosting and such. The class is $5,500 Jamaican dollars. In Canadian, that's about $50. So, oh, and it's a 2-day course. So I'm just gonna make it one video though, because yeah, let's go. So I'm a bit early, so I'm gonna tell you what you get for your 50 Canadian dollars. So you get ooh, my face looks chubby. You get 8 cupcakes to decorate per day. You get obviously the buttercream frosting, and you get a 12-ounce jar to carry home. It comes with food coloring, the nozzles for decorating, the bags obviously, and I think there's one more thing, but I don't really remember. Oh, it's also partnered with Heart, which is like a vocational college, post-secondary type thing in Jamaica. So you get a little certificate too as well. I think that's it. Yeah. Hopefully all goes well. I thought it was something fun to do. I want to start doing treats and stuff and selling treats. So I thought, why not? It's hot. I don't know if you guys, let me flip this. It's hot. See the sky? Yeah, the sky says sun. It's hot. It's hot. My hair's about to go in a hairnet. Oh, my nails. Everyone was like, you need to cut them. You can't be. I'm gonna wear gloves because cut my nails. That's wild, so wild. If you don't know, this is overlay over my natural nails. So holla at your girl. This is my real nails. Cutting them is not an option. So yeah, now I'm just waiting. I think I want to go inside. Maybe there's AC inside. Right now, get hot. Yeah. And when you come to the workshop early, and there's only one person here, and by early I mean 10 minutes. Okay, here are my bags. 1M nozzle, food coloring, cupcakes, parchment paper, because we're gonna practice on this. So this is the setup right now. I'm gonna show you guys what the teacher did and pay for me. Now I'm supposed to do all of that here. Like, do you guys see that rose, bro? Do you see that? Okay, guys, I feel like I'm making progress.
Let me see now. Let me count here. Alright. Braids. Push and pull. We're doing the bar now. Pressure on the bag. Push and pull. You can always rub it on the bag to stop it, you know? Push and pull. Okay. And then for the braids, same thing, but you're going to do it a little taller so you have room to crisscross over it, you know? Yeah, you see it easy?
Okay, let's try again.
Yeah.
The word easy is very,
It is,
you know.
It is very easy.
We're gonna do this today. Yo, I struggled with this. Struggled.
Alright. Everything looks good.
Oh, thanks.
You look like you're ready to go for the cupcake, you know?
Thanks.
Yes, man. I'll give you back over our ice cream too.
Guys, I was struggling with this, but I feel like, you know, this I look neat and nice. Don't it? That's working, guys, at the workshop. And the braid is breeding everybody. I said what I said. And this is everybody else's work. This is what the teacher did, this is what Coco did. And then look at everybody else's. This is what Carol did, and we're supposed to make it. So good luck, guys. All right, folks, this is day one. This is my decorating skills. I mean, this is a pretty rose. Talk to me nice. Okay? Okay. Okay, people, talk to me nice. These are mine. And these are Carol's. I'm just trying to say, on a big one level, pretty close. Everybody else is so cute.
Some people have specific days when they go to do it.
So cute.
Excuse me. Some people go like Wednesdays and Fridays.
That's mine, obviously.
It's like they
So
are
cute.
ready. They go every morning at 5 o'clock. Look, so pretty. Your pink is so pretty. I really the pink ever. This is not the pink where you make out a red.
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Is she giving me red?
I mean, I want to take the idiots.
No such thing.
No
No
such
such
them
thing.
go on them. I like the braid them fritzy, them bad.
The braid them look nice?
Yeah,
Oh my god, thank you so much.
They're so pretty.
Oh my gosh, thanks.
These are the powder or the liquid? Gel? Mm-hmm. Them come in a different formula. Them look like this. Them come in a some little small something.
Okay, today's day 2 of decorating Coco's sweet tooth. Coco's sweet tooth. I might just put it here. And yesterday was really fun. The owner's, her name is Caron. She's so sweet. She's funny. She's helpful. Thoroughly enjoyed it. I would definitely suggest, if you're just doing it for fun, if you want to, you know, practice your skill, whatever it is, I would definitely recommend. Wow, those words took like a long time to come out of my mouth. I would definitely recommend. I had lots of fun. So I'm excited for day 2 to see what's up, see what we're doing. And today's the last day. Sad. Tear. If you haven't already, subscribe. Because, like, why not? Jamaicans call this a love bump. Someone could love me and want to put this in my face. I need it to go away. Yesterday, you guys didn't really see it because I had my glasses on. Anyways, let's see what's today about. All right, how's this looking? Let's check those.
Them two you go on. Yes, too much
Yeah, that was
space.
that one was.
Fix it up. Like 3 good was more.
So I could just get rid of these two and make two more. Okay, that's just out. Anyways, these are my roses. This is the color we're making today, and obviously everything that we learned. All right, y'all, talk to me nice. Those are nice. Those are gorgeous. Can't sell them right now. They're not even honey. This is my finished look. Okay, they're done. Look at the mess. Take this time to follow me. You know, subscribe, like, comment, do what y'all gotta do. This is Crohn's. Yeah. So, thanks for look at my hair. It's a mess. Chop. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Leave.